Hi everybody. So today we are going to look at how to set 90 Hz as a display setting in Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro. You guys might be aware that we do not have an option of 90 Hz in the display settings of POCO X3 Pro. So today we are going to look at how to use our display at 90 Hz. This tutorial will also work with the other devices with high refresh rate panel. So if you have any other device, you can also try this tutorial. So without wasting any more time, let's see how to do that. Okay, so if you want to see the real-time FPS data, just go to settings and in the developer options, just go to power monitor. Okay, so let's go to developer options and find the option called power monitor. Okay, so here it is, and start the frame rate monitor tools. Now you will be able to see the real-time frame per second that your display is actually showing to you. So as you can see, I've set the display to 60 Hz right now and it is showing 60 FPS. So second thing what you have to do is just go to settings again and set your display to 120 Hz. Okay, go to display and set your refresh rate to 120 Hz. Now you'll be able to see that your FPS data will switch to 120 FPS, as you can see. So that means the display is actually working at 120 frames per second. Now you have to download an application from Play Store, and the name of that application will be Set Edit. I'll be leaving the link for this application in the description, so you can download from there as well. Okay, so let's go to the application and hit install. This is a very small application, it will download in a second and you can just simply open that application. So okay, after opening that there will be a prompt. You just have to hit OK, and for that warning you just have to click on the rest of the portion like this. Okay, now what you have to do is just scroll to the very bottom and search for an option called user refresh rate. Okay, there it is, user refresh rate. Just click over that, and after clicking on that you have to click on edit value. So when you will click on edit value, there will be 120, as the refresh rate is on 120. Just set it to 90 and click save changes. Now what you will notice in the frame rate monitor that the frames will drop from 120 to 90. Let me show you a little closely. As you can see, there it is written 90 FPS. Let me just switch to dark mode so that for the better visibility of yours. After switching to dark mode, as you can see, the refresh rate is actually 90 FPS, as you can see. So this is a very quick tutorial on how to use your display at 90 Hz, because using the display at 120 Hz drains a lot of battery. This relatively does not drain that much, but obviously it is a high refresh rate panel, it will drain a little more compared to 60 Hz as well. Okay, so that's it about the video, guys. If you like the video, please drop a like down below, and also do not forget to subscribe the channel, as there will be an awesome content waiting for you. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.